Morning guys, Tuesday morning. Don't know what the date is, 10th I think. Oh, somebody's having fun. The secret's out. What's going on here? Mrs. C's having some driving lessons on the new e-bike. Nanay's quite happy this morning. There's Mary Jean. Good morning, Mary Jean. A YouTube star today. There's Ronnie over there in the corner. Hi, Ronnie. Oh, Mary Jean's having a go now. Brand new e-bike. Sa kabila ng lahat tanging isang ang makita kang masaya mas maliwanag pa sa araw. He got the hang of this straight away, no problem. Noong bata pa tayo ang pagmamahal na naiwan hindi ko kailanman iiwasan. That's it. We're going for it.
Driving in Japan.
Ah, there we go. What do you reckon then, babe?
No, need to practice because I was gonna damage the bangis in the wall.
Pumili ka ng landas at ang iyong ngiti magaan tulad ng mga araw ng pagninilay sa lumang parke. Ang iyong kasiyahan mas higit pa sa akin.
This is what happens. Women drivers in the Philippines. Mary Jean's got the hang of this though. What do you think, Mary Jean? They're good?
They're good?
Very good.
She's asking Mary Jean how to
How to lock it? The one furthest away, near the front.
off.
Not the one, other one. Top.
Top.
Is it twice?
No.
Twice.
In the middle.
Tick, tick. That starts it. I told you this 5 minutes ago.
Okay.
Top one.
Top one.
Twice.
Twice. Top one po. Dua.
That's it. Middle one twice unlocks. Yes, that's handbrake.
Sa aking mata at nahanap ang tahimik na kaligayahan. Hindi ako nagalit dahil alam ko ang iyong dahilan.
Gamma Power Superstores.
Aking sakit, ikaw ang mahal ko pa rin.
Morning, Peekaboo. Hello. You need a number plate. Nanay one. It's got rain covers.
Nanay one.
Nanay one.
1085 lang ikabilyot ka rin, Nanay
And a fan and mirrors.
I think it's better that much than there, so there's one muddy.
Oh, muddy, you can wash it, babe. It's plastic. Very posh.
Very posh.
The new company car. Nanay one.
Nanay one here better.